What's up? If you're new here, then my name is Aditya Patade, and today I'm back again in this new year. Happy New Year 2019. By the way, guys, I'm so sorry that I'm not able to shoot videos because the thing is I'm busy in the hospital stuff. Like I do 9 hours internship in hospital. It's too big, and I literally don't get time to make content. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to do beatbox, basic beatboxing. But listen to me first, okay? In 3, 2, 1. You can go like this, like. So guys, I hope you like my little bit beatbox. I'm not that great beatboxer. So just wanna say, if you really like that, then hit a like on this video. And right now I have a guest, like you know him by my 2 previous videos, and he's once again back here. His name is Ricky, so I'm gonna call Ricky. अरे रिकी, तू सुना नहीं ना मैंने क्या बोला?
सुना तो नहीं, वैसे तेरे बाजू में ही बैठा था. Well, hi guys, how are you?
So Ricky is my new bakra today, and आज इसको मैं सिखाने वाला beatbox. So I ready to learn the beatbox?
Yes.
So Ricky is ready, and I hope you are ready. In 3, 2, 1. So guys, today I'm going to be teaching you one beat, which is involving 3 small beats. So the first beat is like this. So in this beat there are 3 small beats which is called as B. Second one is which is T, and third one is fart bass, which is like this. So I have a demo guy, my new bakra Ricky, the old new bakra by the way. So let's start the first beat. So the first beat which you're gonna learn is called as B. It's very simple. It's like, in this you don't have to pronounce the word B, you just have to make the sound, like you have to just pass the A through your lips. It's like, and let's start with Ricky. So what do you learn from that?
I have to throw my air through my lungs, right?
Yeah, basically you're throwing air through the lungs, but through your lips, okay?
Yes.
So just give me a demo what you learned.
Okay.
That's completely wrong. It's okay. You just have to do a punch thing.
Okay.
Not okay. You don't have to spit, bro.
Okay.
It's like spitting, but it's not spitting.
Okay.
It's अरे थूक मत यार. It's like this. अरे नहीं करना तुझे. You have to do. कर एक बार. थूक क्यों रहा है यार? So Ricky यार, क्या कर दिया तूने? So sorry for that B part, okay? Like I hope you learned at least. अब तेरे को दूसरा बीट सिखा तो ध्यान से सुनना, okay? वहाँ पे देखते मत रहना. Okay. यहाँ पे देखना, okay? The next beat is called as T. It's like, it's very simple. You have to take your tongue to the roof of your mouth like this and leave it down with some air. Okay? It's really simple. So it's like this. Let's do it, Ricky.
This time I have to make a sound of T, right?
Yeah, T.
Okay.
So do. Nice. Once more. It's okay. So Ricky learned his first beat. Yay! Beat which is called as fart bass. By the way, thank God for teaching Ricky the second beat. It was very easy. And let's start with the third beat. It is called as the fart bass. It's like this. It's very simple. You have to inhale some air in your mouth and do it like that. It's like just like farting from your mouth. So Ricky, ये तो बहुत easy है भाई. Fart करना है. मतलब वहाँ से नहीं, मुँह से करना है. So let's start. See. भाई तू क्यों थूक रहा है? कितना इजी है? नहीं सीख पा रहा यार दोस्तों, ये गधा है, कभी सीख नहीं पाएगा अपने लाइफ में. मैं छोड़ रहा हूँ यार, मैं सीरियसली छोड़ रहा हूँ. अरे क्या है?
ज़्यादा नहीं बोल रहे.
क्या ज़्यादा नहीं बोल रहा है? क्योंकि कब से मैं एक चीज़ सिखा रहा हूँ तो क्यों नहीं सीख पा रहा भाई? तू क्यों थूक रहा है बार बार?
अरे मेरा दिमाग खराब मत कर, मैं जो भी ये सही कर रहा हूँ, जो तू बता रहा है।
अरे मैं सही बता रहा हूँ, गलत कर रहा है, मैं क्या करूँ यार? जा, मेरे को नहीं सिखाना।
चल मैं तेरे को बता दूँ।
अरे क्या बताएगा? जो होता है इधर बता।
मैं तेरे को बता दूँ।
क्या बताना क्या चाहते हो?
बता दो ना।
अबे क्या बता? अरे रिकी भाई, अरे मजाक कर, कंटेंट के लिए कर रहा था मैं। नहीं तो यहाँ पे नीचे गिर जाऊंगा। आपका एक ही-
अगली बार गाली दिया
अरे भाई सॉरी।
तो तेरे को इधर से नहीं, बिल्डिंग से फेंकूंगा।
अरे भाई मत, अरे मजाक कर रहा, कंटेंट के लिए कर रहा था।
अगर आप इसे बचाना चाहते हो ना तो लाइक, शेयर और कमेंट कीजिएगा, नहीं तो मैं इसको अभी इधर से इधर ही फेंक दूंगा।
अरे जल्दी करो यार,
समझ ली?
प्लीज प्लीज जल्दी करो।